Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about the weekday function. So let's say you want to find for a particular day what day of the week it falls on. So let's say it's Monday and it's the first day of the week, so it should be 1, or maybe it's Tuesday, so it should be 2, and so on and so forth. So how do you calculate that? So we'll explore a function. I've already got the DAX function open here with me, and it's called the weekday function, and it's got multiple options. So it returns week begins on Sunday, Sunday is 1 and ends on Saturday, and then so on and so forth. So let's just go quickly to this file. I've already got this file open here with me. I've also uploaded this file to GitHub, so you can download the file and you can do the tutorial along with me. So over here, I'll just copy this DAX function first. Let me just give this option 1. So essentially I'm passing the date parameter. So what I've got here is 19th of December, and if I open here it says 19th of December is a Saturday. Let's just build a function quickly. So I'll just say new column, and I'll copy my DAX here and hit enter. And you can see it is giving me 7. So if you go, and because we've selected option 1, so week begins on Sunday and ends on Saturday, and Saturday is number 7. So let's go back here and let's change it to the option 2 and hit enter. And you can see now that the week begins on Monday and ends on Sunday, so obviously Saturday becomes the 6th day of the week. And let's select option 3. So week begins on Monday and ends on Sunday, but it starts from 0. So if I go here and select option 3 and hit enter, the week of the day should become 5. So let's just hit enter. And you can see here, so in this video we've learned how, and you can add numbers depending, so you can add +1 or +2 depending on how you want to roll your week in case this option doesn't work for you. So in this video we've learned how to find the week of the day using the weekday DAX function. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.